Now I wasn't going to show this next part. I was just going to go ahead and monkey these doors into place. We'll just see how it goes. We'll just see how it goes. Let's see if I can't get this in there. And I just put it in sideways like this, see? And do it that way. I can't really see what's happening there. The other ones I used to put in had louvers here, and I could look right through the louvers and line up the door. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to need to get my little step ladder over here so that I can see what's going on here, right? And I depress the back one to get it to line up here. And I can see right off, I've got to lift it up. I've got to unscrew the bottom a little bit more. Okay. So I'll unscrew it. And it's on a screw thread. And I just unscrew it a little bit. Get my ladder out of the way. Put this up like this. Just kind of, I'm just guessing where it goes at the bottom. I don't even know if it's in the little prong yet. Main thing is to get the top little thing snapped. And okay, where is it? I can't really see it. Okay, it's beyond that. It's beyond the screw. Come on. Oh, there. Okay. Okay, the top I got. Now I just have to work on the bottom. And like I say, it's a little trickier because I've got the washer and dryer in there. So I'm going to lift up on it and feel where the bottom goes and get it on there. Okay, I got it. And that's how it's going to be. And then I can look at the bottom. See, I'm gonna have to put the other one in too. I have to look at the top, make sure, because whoever installed this initially put some cord around there. So I've got to make sure it's low enough. It's low enough to pass over this, which it is. Okay, and it's high enough at the bottom so it doesn't necessarily rub on the carpet. Okay, or your floor, or whatever you got down there. And let's just, it looked like it was pretty good. If anything, I could raise it up just slightly. Okay, see, it's just barely rubbing on the carpet. And see, at that point, what I can do, I don't have to take it back down. Let's get you resituated over here. I'm just gonna let the camera run. You're learning as I'm showing you and explaining to you and stuff. I was just gonna do this and then show it after it was up. But yeah, I know you wanna see that if I can do it, you can do it, right? Okay. So now all I have to do is, because that it's in the groove up at the top and the wheel's in there. Okay. Remember the wheel, this front wheel is in the groove, so I can raise it from the bottom without it falling out, right? As long as I keep pressure on it. So I'm just going to lift it up and then reach under there and unscrew that. I got to remember which, or screw it in. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and so I've got to I've got to raise this up, and I know it's not going to fall at the top, okay? I'm raising it up, and there's only so much I can raise it. Now I'm unscrewing or screwing it. Let's see. I think I'm going the wrong. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, I need to go the other way. I need to go the other way. Yeah. This is the tricky part. I need to get my fingers in there. Ooh. Unscrew it. Yeah, okay, that same way, making sure that there's still enough room at the top, and there is. Okay. What am I doing? I think I went the wrong way. Let's look back up here. Yeah, I did. I went the wrong way. We're gonna go the other way. Okay. Raise that up. That way. You're gonna have a little trial and error figuring out which way to unscrew that. I go in, it's gotta go that way. Okay. I'm making it longer when my battery went dead when I was talking to you and showing you, and I wanted to see if I could go up any higher, and it looks like I can go up a little bit, but that spring tension on the top, I can only go so high, and I'm looking at this other door here just to see. Oh, okay, that goes down all the way. I'm thinking that it could go up higher, and I'm trying to do it so it's not rubbing on the carpet. Okay, so I've got to lift this up and unscrew this some more. Let's see. I gotta go. Let's see. I gotta go that way. Okay, there we go. And I'm just unscrewing that end foot piece that fits in that groove, the bottom. Okay. Now, let's see. See, it's not hardly touching the carpet at all, just barely. And I can see up at the top that I still have a good sized clearance at the top. Not a whole lot, but that's all I need. Okay? And now I'll put the next one in. I'll put the next one in, I guess. And see, I don't know if that is hanging straight right now or not. And if it's not, I just lift that up and either pull out on it or push in on it, because that bottom foot has that little let's see, the bottom foot thing there is fitting into those notches, see? So then you lift it up, slide it over. Lift it up, slide it over. You don't have to turn it. This is just designed, whatever way you have it lined up, it's gonna fit. You see what I mean? In those grooves. So if I want to slide the bottom of the door over, I just do that. Lift it up, slide it over, drop it back down. Okay? And that's what I'll end up doing for for this other door. And then I can also, see, I don't have an actual level here today. I don't necessarily need one. See, I can just measure from this 28 3/4, long 3/4. And then I can go down here. I got 29. So I know if anything, it's probably gonna have to go over eventually. So see, I can just lift it up and push it over. Uh, 28 and long 3/4, okay? And so that's almost perfectly straight to the door jamb. And I can leave it like that right now. I look at that and look, I've got nice clearance there. And more times than not, somebody's gonna just leave this open like that when they use the washer. When they use the washer and dryer. Okay? We're gonna leave that open like that. And use the washer and dryer the way it is. Obviously they have to walk around that. When they get all done, they can go ahead and close the doors. Okay? So I'm gonna leave that there, and I'm gonna put the next door up. Okay?